back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a Christmas party makeup look. So don't wasting your time, let's get started. First I'm going to moisturize my skin. This is a essential oil. You can apply your daily moisturizer and I left it for like 10 minutes. Now I am applying Belena All Free Face Primer. And applying in my large pore area. And I'm applying in tapping motion. Let's tap. For foundation, I am using NYX Total Control Foundation. This is medium coverage because I want to look so natural, not so cakey. I just apply it in with my fingertips because I don't need so much foundation. And let's blend it. I'm blending it so fast. For concealer, I'm using NYX concealer. I'm using a little bit of concealer in my dark area, a little bit of here and top of nose. I'm using a dry BB blender for blending this concealer. For setting my concealer, I'm using banana powder. I'm using minimal product in my concealer area because it's winter. If I use so much powder, it's makes skin so dry. And it's done. I'm filling my eyebrow with the eyebrow pencil. Okay, just blend it. I'm using this and this color for my eyeshadow. First, I'm applying neutral color eyeshadow in my whole eyelid. Now I am applying brown color in my eyelid. I just want to draw some wings. Kind of wings, it's not wings. Now I am blending this. using white color kajal in my waterline. Now I am applying blush in my cheeks. I'm blending this because I want to look so natural. My cheek is done and I'm draw my lip. Now it's time for lipstick. I use red lipstick because it's classy Christmas look. And I love this color. My lip is done. Now it's time for highlighter and I'm blending this highlighter because its highlighter so pigmented. And I love this highlighter. And highlighter loves me too. Applying this highlighter in my top of nose little bit and my lower lash line and my upper lips. My makeup is almost done. I'll be back after applying mascara and eyelash. This is my final look. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and wishing you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance.